Hello students, good afternoon all of you. Today we are going to learn application section from our chapter number 9 fractions, fraction second, and our mathematics textbook part 2. Okay students, let us open the page number 20. Today we are going to learn some application, that is the word problems examples. Okay, so already yesterday we learned about how to find a fraction of a number. ठीक है, नंबर का फ्रैक्शन किस तरह से फाइंड करते हैं हमने सीखा. आई होप सो कि आपने उसके कुछ एग्जाम्पल जो मैंने वर्कशीट पर सेंड किए थे वो भी सॉल्व किए होंगे. नाउ लेट अस रीड एंड अंडरस्टैंड सम वर्ड एग्जाम्पल्स. So let us now see some real life examples in which we find the fraction of a number. For example 3 is here. Ravi has rupees 120 with him. He gave 2/3 of it to his sister. How much money is left with Ravi? देखो उसके पास कितने पैसे थे 120, उसमें से उसने कितने दे दिए अपने सिस्टर को 2/3 दे दिए, तो उसके पास कितने लेफ्ट बच गए. सो अमाउंट रवि हैज़ कितनी है रुपीज़ 120. अमाउंट रवि गेव ही सिस्टर दैट इज द 2/3 ऑफ रुपीज़ 120, दैट इज द 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 120 अपॉन 3. सो जब हम इसको सॉल्व करेंगे तो 3 1s are 1 and 3 4s are 12 and 0 here. So 2 4s are 8, that is 2 into rupees 40. So that is the rupees 80. 4 2s are 8, that is the rupees 80. So the difference in amount, तो डिफरेंस कितना हुआ, तो 80 अमाउंट, लेकिन क्या है 80 अमाउंट ये है जो रवि ने दी थी अपने सिस्टर को. नाउ डिफरेंस कितना हो रहा है फिर यहाँ पर 120 माइनस 80, दैट इज द 40. सो therefore rupees 40 is left with Ravi. Okay students, similarly we have more examples. Example 4. Rima completed 1/10 of a distance of 2 kilometers. How much distance has she covered? कितना डिस्टेंस फिर उसको कवर करना पड़ेगा. The total distance to be covered by Rima is equal to 2 kilometer. We know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So 2 kilometer is equal to 2000 meter. Yes, 1 किलोमीटर में कितना होता है 1000 मीटर होता है, तो 2 किलोमीटर में कितना होगा 2000 मीटर. The distance covered by Rima is the 1/10 of 2 kilometer. That means 1/10 multiplied by 2000. So यहाँ पर करना है हमें 0 0 कैंसिल. 200 1s are 200 divided by 1, so that is the 200 meter. So therefore Rima has covered 200 meter of the distance. Example 5 here. A school auditorium has 2500 chairs. On the annual day 4/5 of the auditorium was occupied. How many chairs were occupied? तो कितने ऑक्यूपाई हुए थे हमें निकालना है. यस, द टोटल नंबर ऑफ चेयर्स इन द ऑडिटोरियम इज 2500. फ्रैक्शन ऑफ चेयर ऑक्यूपाई दैट इज द 4/5. नंबर ऑफ चेयर्स ऑक्यूपाई दैट इज द 4/5 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2500. सो यहाँ पर होगा डिवीजन. सो 5 से अगर हमने डिवाइड किया तो कितना आता है यहाँ पर देखो 5 1s are 1, 5 5s are 25, 0 and 0, 4 5s are ओके. सो यहाँ पर आता है आपका 25 4s are 10,000 और यहाँ पर 5 4s are 2000. तो यहाँ पर एक स्टेप में नहीं किया है. सो लेट अस डू द नेक्स्ट स्टेप. That is the 2000. So what is our answer? Or you may solve like that. 5 1s are 1, 5 2s are 10, 5 zeros are and zeros are. That is the 2000. So our answer is the 2000. So therefore 2000 chairs were occupied in the auditorium. So ये डिवीजन आप यहाँ ऐसे भी कर सकते हो और आइदर यू कैन डू लाइक दैट, लेकिन ये करना है आपको रफ में. That is the 5 1s are 1, 5 2s are 10. So your quotient is the answer over there. That is the 0. Then again 0 काउंट किया तो 5 zeros are. अगेन ऊपर से 0 लिया तो आपका आएगा 5 zeros are. अगेन ऊपर से 0 लिया तो फिर से आएगा आपका 5 zeros are. So like that also you can solve, but you have to do that in rough work. Now let us understand some higher order thinking skills. Here we do have the example 6. Venu paints 3/6 of a cardboard and Raj paints a third of it. If the cardboard has an area of 144 square centimeter, what area of the cardboard did each of them paint? तो हर एक ने कितना कितना पेंट किया है, चलो फाइंड आउट करते हैं. यहाँ पर एग्जाम्पल, फ्रैक्शन ऑफ द कार्डबोर्ड पेंटेड बाय वेनु इज इक्वल टू 3/6, दैट इज द 3/6. फ्रैक्शन ऑफ द कार्डबोर्ड पेंटेड बाय राज, दैट इज द 1/3, 1/3. एरिया ऑफ कार्डबोर्ड इज द 144 square centimeter. So area of cardboard painted by Venu is the 3/6 multiplied by 144. अगर उसको मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 144 दैट इज इक्वल टू 432 डिवाइड बाय 6. सो यहाँ पर डिवीजन होगी 6 1s are 1, 6 7s are, एंड रिमेनिंग रहते हैं यहाँ पर फिर से कितने, यस 1, 6 2s are 12. तो ये कुछ इस तरह से किया हुआ है, लेकिन ये आपको करना होता है रफ वर्क में. आई नो दैट डिवीजन अभी आपको सबको पता है. 6 7s are 42. यहाँ पर है गया 1, ऊपर से ले लिया हमने 2. 6 2s are 12. आ गया रिमाइंडर 0. सो व्हाट इज आवर आंसर? आवर आंसर इज द 72. सो 72 स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर. एरिया ऑफ कार्डबोर्ड पेंटेड बाय राज, दैट इज 1/3 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 144 स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर. सो 144 डिवाइड बाय 3. तो ये भी डिवीजन आप कर सकते हो. लेट अस डू द डिवीजन. 3 1s are 1, 3 4s are 12. Remaining what? Yes, 2 and 0. Taken 4 from above. 3 8s are 24. So yes, our quotient is here. Quotient is the 48 and remainder is the 0. So our answer is the 48 square centimeter and 72 square centimeter. Therefore, Venu painted 72 square centimeter of the cardboard and Raj painted 48 square centimeter of the cardboard. Similarly, example 7 is there. Find if 2/11 of 154 and 4/7 of 49 are equal to each other or one of them is greater than one other. Let us do that. So हम कह सकते हैं to find the fractions of a number are equal, we first find their values and compare them. So यहाँ पर क्या किया है, 154 की वैल्यूज कंपेयर किए हैं. 2/11 that is the 2/11th of 154 that is equal to 2/11 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 154. मल्टीप्लिकेशन कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर, तो मल्टीप्लिकेशन कितना गया, 308. 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. तो 0 यहाँ पर 1 गया, कैरी फॉरवर्ड. 2 1s are 2 and plus 1 that is a 308 divided by 11. Whenever we do the division, 11 1s are 1 and 11 2s are 22. Remaining 8. So 11 8s are 88. So that is the answer is the 28. You can do like that, but in a rough book. 11 2s are 22. So remaining what? 8 here. And ऊपर से अगर हम 8 लेते हैं तो 11 8s are 88. So what is our answer? Our answer is the 28. Similarly, here solve 4 upon 7th, 4 7th of 49. 4 7th multiplied by 49, that is equal to 4 multiplied by 49, that is a 196 divided by 7. Again when we do the division like that, 196 and 7. 7 2s are 14. Remaining what? Remaining 5 is there. Carry forward lege 6. 7 1s are 1. 7 8s are 56. So what is our answer? Yes, 28. Again 28. So we can say that therefore 2 upon 11th of 154 is equal to 4 7th of 49. So student, here we learn and understand some word examples. So in that word examples, what we learn? We learn that we have to solve some word problem also and find out the fraction of that numbers using the op method. Okay, multiply using the multiplication. We have to multiply the fraction number to the given number. Understand all of you? Similarly, let us more example we have to solve here. Let us solve one more example. Now look into that example. Ram having 12 mangoes, he gave 2/3 mangoes to his brother. How much mangoes left with Ram? तो चलो सॉल्व करते हैं इसका सॉल्यूशन. कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे यहाँ पर? यस, राम हैविंग मैंगोज. सो कितने मैंगोज है राम के पास? राम हैविंग मैंगोज is equal to 12. He gave how much? Yes, 2/3 mangoes to his brother. Now let us find out the 2/3. So brother get mangoes, that is equal to आएगा आपका 2/3 multiply by 12. Let us do it. That is 2 into 12 upon 3. 12 2s are 24. 24 upon 3. So 3 1s are 1. 3 8s are 24. So our answer is the 8 mangoes. So brother को कितने मिल गए उसके? 8 mangoes. But we have to find the how much mangoes left with Ram. So Ram having mangoes. So Ram having mangoes left with him, that is equal to 12 minus 8. So yes, we know that 12 में से 8 गए तो 12 8 9 10 11 12, that is the 4 mangoes. Okay students, I hope so you can understand easily with that example. Similarly, I am going to give you one worksheet. That worksheet examples also you must have to solve in your mathematics notebook. Bye bye for now. Take care.